If I'm going downhill, let me know before I fall. Hi. Oh, I'm sorry, Mom. Hi, guys. Don't let me fall down. Hello.
Hold on, I won't reach out for her.
Hello, Henry.
Hi. How you doing?
Oh, no problem. Hi, Desi.
Hey, how you doing?
Okay. I'm going to do this. I'm put it on YouTube, send it to Sherry.
That's right.
Hey, Rhina.
Yeah.
No, these are my wedding rings.
Hey.
I wish it was that.
Hey. Hey.
Give me that chip. There we go. Now, Joe, tell me which one's Faith and which one's Hope.
This is Faye.
I didn't catch you. I had to check.
Okay.
When you stop nagging me about it?
Wait till the camera's A.
I catch. Yeah, I want your chip. I know you're happy with your life.
Turn around and
You keep yours and I'll keep mine.
I need catch.
Jade almost had my head on Friday.
Why isn't it?
Navy blue, her school colors on Friday.
Okay,
You don't
Hi.
buy me anything,
Hi.
Andy.
How you
All
doing?
bad.
trying to get my camera to work.
Okay.
Or Daddy might have to buy me a new one.
She told me when
He's already bought one.
I know, for Mama.
Hey, Lance.
Mama wants this one back.
Hey, Lance. I'm gonna YouTube this to Sherry.
out of my back pocket.
Shove it on the top of your head.
I don't want it no more.
Ooh, baby.
Top my head. My head. ES can only go to you. If I
Hey,
can
Mom.
see-
Daisy. Come here, Daisy Doodoo.
I can't see you. You can't see me. Turn around. Turn around.
He says, I'm so dirty. I just had a bath.
I'm a dirty dog. It's just like my car. I wouldn't even have recognized my car when I got back from riding around the lake.
So what? Yeah, right.
I was trying to just
Bye. See you later.
The road. The mountain lion went like that.
Huh?
The road. On the lake. Burying his head under a rock. Hitting his head on a rock. Let it going on with you.
Thanks for the hair.